I smell cable videos in the air. They seem a long ways off. My spidey sense is a tingling. I know they's there. Time to go.
Well, greetings, interwebs. It's going to be a fun day today. You know, I talk a lot about my friend Keith over at Rehab Life. Well, today, I'm going to spend the day with him, working on one of his houses he's rehabbing over in Lake City, Florida. We're going to do kind of a collab, a little bit of video on my channel, a little bit of video on his channel. So, yeah, there'll be a link down in the description. So, want to try to keep it quiet, if you don't mind, because we don't want you-know-who showing up when I start doing cable, because you know how he gets when it comes to cable videos. Hopefully Lake City is too far away for his evil spidey sense to detect. Anyway, off to Lake City. Woohoo! It's going to be a fun day. Stand by. Today's project here at Keith's house, cable. This room, up the other end of the house, other rooms, up the end of the house. You're done. Hey!
Hey, where's Bubba?
Oh, please, don't. Just, don't say his name out loud.
Oh, is that a bad thing?
You have no idea.
Hi, everyone.
This is Keith, by the way.
This is Hal. This is Hal, by the way.
Yeah.
In case y'all didn't know.
You'll see the link to his channel in the description. A lot of fun if you're really into fixing up old houses.
This is an old house.
That's what he does. An old guy and old houses.
I'm an old guy.
Yeah.
I just realized I'm an old guy. He told me I'm an old. Can you believe that? I'm an old guy.
So hey, you got hair.
I got hair.
So there's that.
I'm not gonna interrupt the guy who actually knows what he's doing and let him, I'm gonna let him do it. So,
yeah, the guys who know what they're doing it.
Yeah, they're doing the other thing back here. You know.
And we're making bad YouTube videos.
No, we're doing good YouTube videos.
Well, he does. He has subscribers. Me, not so much.
They're coming. All right. Have fun.
Hey, yeah, back at it. So what are you doing?
I'm putting these plates on the. I'm putting these plates on the wall where the wires go through the wall, because even though they're 40 cents a piece and they're expensive when you do a whole house, imagine if you had to tear your drywall out and pull new wires in because somebody put a nail in it. It's a lot cheaper this way.
Groovy.
All right, so what did we get done today?
Well, ran cable lines to 4 rooms, the 2 back bedrooms, the living room, and the den, I guess they are. Put a splitter in the attic above the access panel, and then ran the line outside for the cable company to hook up.
So what do we have, like, maybe... Is that Bubba? Bubba! Ah!
Oh,
Bubba came to visit us. Can you believe that?
why? How'd you get to Lake City in the first place?
He smelled cable videos all the way from
Wherever, from his hole.
Green Cove, wherever is that he's from.
Oh, hi, fellas. I heard me there's some cable videos are going on, and I just had to come. Had me a heck of a time getting here from Middleburg. I didn't realize just how far out Lake City was. Dang, feller. There better be some good cable videos. Yeah, you're a little too late. Cable video's done. Cable's done. Everything's done. I was about to pack up and head out. So sorry.
Yeah, well, you snooze, you lose.
Life in the big city, huh?
The big city here.
What do you mean I done missed it all? Oh, heck. I gotta go back to Middleburg. Dang it. Well, that was a fun day. Got to hang out with Keith, check out his new, one of his houses, and get some actual physical work done. I've been kind of taking it really easy since the heart attack. I was kind of want to stretch my legs a little bit and see how I do. Well, I worked hard. I'm sore, I'm sweaty, but I feel really good. So, seems like I'm back in business. But yeah, I smell terrible. I was sweating like mad. There's no electricity in the house yet, so no air conditioning, obviously. And oh my goodness, was it hot and humid. But that's life in Florida. Good seeing you. Doggone, I can't believe I missed them cable videos.